Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly create professional-looking charts right inside Figma. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to insert charts for your design projects in just a few simple steps. No graphic design degree or complicated spreadsheets needed. Let's jump right in. First up, we need to access the tool that'll help us make these charts. So with your Figma file open, look down to the very center bottom of the screen. You'll notice a little icon labeled Actions. Give that a click. This is like your secret toolkit where you can supercharge Figma with plugins and widgets, which are basically add-ons that expand what Figma can do. Now in this window, you'll see a search bar. Type the word chart into that box. Figma will show you a handful of plugins and widgets related to charts. You're looking for one that's simply called Chart, which is a popular choice for all sorts of data visualizations right inside Figma. Click on it to run or open the plugin. You might need to wait just a few seconds for everything to load up. Don't worry if it takes a moment, that's totally normal. Once the chart plugin opens, you'll see a variety of chart types to choose from. These typically include line charts, scatter plots, area charts, bar charts, and even pie or donut charts. Think about what kind of story you want your data to tell. For example, a bar chart is perfect for comparing categories side by side, while a line chart is ideal for showing trends over time. If you just want to visualize parts of a whole, pie or donut charts are your best bet. Go ahead and select the chart type that best fits your needs. After picking your chart style, it's time to configure your data. This part is really flexible. You can input your own numbers and labels to reflect whatever information you want to visualize, maybe project timelines, sales figures, or any dataset relevant to your design. You'll usually see fields where you can paste or type in your data. Double-check your numbers and labels here so everything's accurate, because these details are what your viewers will actually see and interpret. If you get stuck, imagine you're describing the story you want the chart to tell. It helps clarify what needs to be included. Configuration can feel a little technical if you're new, but don't worry if you aren't sure about the perfect data structure. The plugin usually provides sample data that you can overwrite, or you might be able to import from a spreadsheet if that's easier. Take your time here. This step's like setting up the scaffolding before you paint the picture. The more clearly you lay out the data, the better your chart will come out. Once you're happy with your data setup, look for the button that says Add Chart. Click it, and like magic, your fully formed chart appears right in your Figma workspace. You can now move it, resize it, or tweak it just like any other object in Figma. That's really all there is to it. Super simple, super effective. So there you have it, a chart in just a few minutes without ever leaving Figma. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit that like button and drop any questions or suggestions down in the comments. I'd love to hear what kinds of charts you're making. And if you're interested in more time-saving Figma tips, don't forget to subscribe for future tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.